Okay, today we're going to be exploding yet another planet. And once again, I've already not coded it, but placed a bunch of nukes. I have a different nuke add-on, which has a nuke-shaped nuke, but I'm not going to use that one because it's not as efficient as these. Make sure we're recording. And so and dropping that one down and lighting the fuse. There it is. My volume is at full, yet I still cannot hear. So this is what has happened so far. Do I need to place more nukes? Yes, I do. And yeah. So now this happens and the top is obliterated, I believe. If I and I'm going to check on the top and it's going to be exploding. Cause it took me forever, but I got a line of nukes all around. It took me forever. Until I believe right here where the first, it's where the first nukes exploded, and I believe there was a straight hole down here. I can just stick a landing in a hole. You're kidding me. They still haven't exploded. Just, light them on fire. And you know when TNT goes like white? Well, once while I was playing in Minecraft, I lit a bunch of TNT blocks. And then I just was running around placing torches so that mobs wouldn't spawn. And then I start digging down while in creative mode. And some weird white block keeps going down. I could catch it with I could attach a fishing rod line to it. I could pull it up. I could kind of pull it down. It just kept going up and up and up, and it was so weird. But then I watched a video of secret things you never knew existed in Minecraft or something like that. And they showed the block in it, and they said it was called null sand. And I was like, oh, so that's what I saw. And oh my god, these things are... Oh, wait, you can't light glass. Darn it. Wait, is that yellow on one side and orange on the other? What in the world is this sorcery? Yeah, yellow on one side and orange on the other. What is this sorcery here? What is this? And there it goes. There go my nukes. Tell me I have more down here. Well, now I have more. Again, with the sorcery. More nukes. And I'm falling off my couch. Darn it, I can't firework up right now. And more nukes drop. And I'm gonna hit a barrier block. No? Luckily. Phew. It is a lot more easier when you just use elytra. Why didn't I do this in the first place? Probably because it's not the most accurate. I'm just gonna drop a nuke from like right here. Wait. Or just do it for me. Sure. And yes, I did it. And there goes another nuke. Oh, you know what? I think I've got an idea. if this thing doesn't explode soon, my video will be way too long. You know what? I think I might stop the video here. But there's so many nukes. Never mind. I take it back. There's not many nukes.